Hello, hola, welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus YouTube channel. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney. On this channel, we talk about real estate and we talk about some ways that you can crush it and get that money, more money and more money. Well, today we're going to talk about some texting apps that you can use in 2022 for any business and also for real estate. You definitely want to start texting. It's a marketing tool where you can do text blasts. We're always talking about it. So come on in. We're going to keep this video short and sweet. Before I start, I want to ask, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It will do you well. It will do you good because I come on this channel twice a week to bring you valuable information about real estate, tips and tools, some apps to use, some lenders to use. And if you have already subscribed, please like this video. YouTube loves it when they see that. So we're going to keep this short and sweet and we're going to jump right in. The first one I like to tell you about is Textly.com. Textly.com. You can get a 14-day free trial. They have different price tiers, so you can choose. If you're just starting, you can choose a higher one. But Textly.com, check that out. That's a great text blasting app that you can use in 2022 that will help you with your business, whether you're just beginning or you're just starting to use the text blasting marketing tool. Again, you want to have more than one line in the water, and today we're going to go over some more apps that's going to give you that line in the water. The second one I want to go over is Text Now. Check that out. Text Now. That's another great texting app to use in 2022. The third one is reicom.com. One thing about reicom.com, it's an all-in-one with a good price. Multiple touch campaigns. A lot of times I always say make sure you send out more than one touch. And what I mean by that is if you send out a marketing piece, that potential seller or potential buyer needs to see your marketing piece more than once. They need to see it 2 times, 3 times. I usually send out something every 2 weeks. So it just depends on where you are and also what you're targeting or who you're targeting and what tools you're using. Before I get into the fourth one, I have about 5 or 6 for you on this channel. We always give out golden nuggets and gems to help you out. Fourth one, if this is your first time on this channel, I always randomly select new subscribers and or folk that have given a nice comment. So if you look here, I have you on this video. I want to give you a shout out and I want to let you know that I appreciate you. Thank you. Your name is screaming across this Rena MoMoney channel right now as I speak. So again, I would like to say thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming back. Always educate yourself. Always come back on the Rena MoMoney Plus. I'll give nothing but free, valuable information on every video. You will take something away that's going to either save you money or make you money. So give yourself a hand. Shout outs to you for subscribing. If you've already subscribed, then please like this video or make a nice comment. Oh, we're moving right along. The fourth one is batchleads.io. Batchleads. That's also another all-in-one. If you're pretty new, Batchleads you may want to do once you're kind of familiar with it, but Batchleads.io, you can do everything. That's another all-in-one where you can send out touches. You can set it and forget it. It's a great one. That's a good one. The one that I like the most is the one I have next coming up, and I actually have that in my resources down below where you can get a discount with Text Magic. Text Magic is pretty simple. It's really user friendly. I like it. It's the best one I use. So check out Text Magic. That's a good one. I like that. That's a good one. You can do multiple blasts. You can copy and paste your phone numbers right off of your skip trace list. So of course, you know already you want to text blast out after you have skip traced and receive the telephone numbers from skip tracing. All right, this is the next project coming up. We're looking at the before pictures on 6th Street. Some banisters need to be done. We're gonna make this brand new. This is the porch. It is a brick front with a block around the sides. Front room. Gonna change out that ceiling. We're gonna go with luxury vinyl plank. We're gonna open up the kitchen. This is the dining room that needs some work. Some new doors, new plates. Whole new look coming in. Hallway work needed. Bedroom. We're gonna make this look nice in the end and change out these 1970 ceilings. This is bathroom 1. Take out a lot of this old tile. Ooh-wee. Work to be done. Work to be done. Old tile, 1970s. Used to look good in the day. Work to be done. New flooring is gonna take place. This is gonna be beautiful in the end. Right now, we're looking at the before. Little mold issue here, something's going on. We're doing a new roof. Roof will be coming in, the roofers will be coming in next week. This is bathroom 2, same little look, but we're gonna make it brand new. Yes, we are. We're gonna do new ceiling fan in other areas. New. We're gonna make it new. Oh, let's take a look at this shower. This is gonna be beautiful at the end of the day. That's that shower. Ugly right now, but we're gonna make it pop. So stay tuned. Let's go take a look at this kitchen. And we're going to see a whole new 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Pantry here. Gonna move this out. Gonna take some time out and take that out. A little nasty here, a couple roaches. So we're here now, we're gonna bomb it. Just take some time out and bomb it. We're gonna move that cabinet and oh yeah, oh, these are gonna be demoed. We're gonna go straight into bombing it. Lots of roaches, lots of nasty looks. We're gonna have this kitchen looking brand new. We're gonna put in some new countertops, new cabinets, nice and crisp and clean. Today we're gonna bomb it. After we bomb it, we're gonna have the guys come in tomorrow and it's all going to start. See you next time. Some of these apps have free trials and some do not. Some you can jump right in. Some are user friendly. Some are all in one. So make sure you do your due diligence. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to get these products, but these are some products. These are some texting apps to use in 2022 that can help your real estate business and your overall business, especially in your marketing area. So check that out. Today I just released 5. I think it was Text Magic, Bashleys, Text Now, Textly.com, and reicom. So hopefully this information was helpful. Hopefully you took some notes and took time out. Thank you for coming. Make sure you like and join if you haven't already. Make sure you check out the resources down below because I have some great resources that can help you out and help you crush it in real estate and in your business. On the next video, make sure you come back. We're going to be talking about some skip tracing companies to use. Some of the best skip tracing companies in 2022, some of the most reliable ones. Again, some of the most reliable and cost-effective skip tracing companies to use. Okay, so thank you again and you take care.